Tonight's weather report brought to you by Suncorp, building a more resilient Australia.
Good evening, folks. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Intense localised rain has once again fallen upon North Queensland. Tomorrow is expected to be a little drier, though a lot windier, and by Friday we're back to full tropical sunshine. Some of the bigger rainfalls overnight was Silkwood with 60 millimetres, Davidson Creek had 57, 47 mils in Kennedy Valley, and Mission Beach South had 27. A stifling day by all measures, though mainly because of this morning's uncomfortably high minimum temps and humidity. Today's tops hit the low 30s, hot but certainly not earth-shattering. On the satellite loop now, again, most of the action's been in the north, although this afternoon some severe thunderstorms did get going through central and southern Queensland, mainly inland parts of the Wide Bay Burnett. You can see them popping up now, and also around the central highlands and coalfields moving into the Capricornia. Last night, of course, we had another round of storms similar to the one previously that came through the Herbert Burdigan, producing falls in excess of 100 millimetres. Now, on today's chart, the reason for all this rain, a little bit difficult to explain. We do have southeasterly winds coming from this next high, and that's cooled the southern part of Queensland down, but the humidity in the north comes from this inland trough lingering around, and moisture in through deep levels in the atmosphere getting drawn in from the northeast. On tomorrow's chart, though, as the high moves further out into the Tasman Sea and intensifies slightly, we'll get strong force southeasterly winds building all the way up to Cairns and Cooktown, and that'll take the edge off the humidity, also the edge off the showers and the storms. And then on the outlook chart, as the high continues to move east and the next trough comes in from the west, winds begin to turn around to the north, things fine up and it gets warmer and warmer. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, a strong wind warning for southeasterlies 20 to 30 knots tomorrow on a 2-metre swell outside the reef. Southeasterlies dropping below 25 knots on Friday and then below 20 knots by Saturday. The full moon spring tide's almost upon us with a very large high tide welcoming us to the beach tomorrow morning. Don't expect to find too much sand. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers and storms contracting northward tomorrow with Cairns reaching 32 degrees, slightly cooler night, 27 for Atherton, Innisfail and Mareeba 30. And looking ahead for Cairns, mostly clear weather returning by Friday and slightly less humid, we hope, though temperatures won't change a great deal. Next week we get another chance at some rain. For Atherton, mostly low 20s, which gives us a little bit down on the coast, but back to the low to mid 30s next week as moisture builds up again. And that's it, folks. Pleasure to have your company, and thanks for watching 7. I'll be back tomorrow with more on the weather. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
Wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks. See you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.